Hi friends, this is the lecture number 3, and in this lecture number 3 again we are just talking about the decimal number. Already we have discussed about the number system. You must go in the previous lecture what is the number system. Okay, now you have seen also, if you have done high school or intermediate or graduation, you know that number. Suppose you have 1 2 3 7 this number. So how to represent this number 1 2 3 7? So its representation is this. Actually the real representation of decimal number is this. Every time you will write this. Whenever you are just writing 10, it means that this is the decimal number, because the base is 10. Okay, so now how to just write it? Okay, so at first you have to write 7 into 10 to the power 0 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power 3. Now if you just multiply and add it, then you will get the same number. You can see 10 to the power 3 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3. Into 1 is equal to same number. 10 to the power square is equal to 100. 100 into 2 is equal to 200. Okay. Then 3 into 10 is equal to 30. And 7 into 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1, because x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is 1 into 7 is equal to 7. If you add, then you will get same number. Okay. So here the base is 10. Whenever they have written base 10, it means that this is the decimal number. So that is the way to represent the decimal number. Now, if there is a decimal decimal number, okay, then how will you write? Suppose you have 1237.46. In this condition, how will you write? Okay, this is the question. So very simple. In this condition, you will write the same thing: 1 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power square plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 to the power 0. Then after 10 to the power, it will be negative. So in this condition, your 4 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is the way to represent the decimal number. Okay. So thank you so much.